Okay, good morning everyone. So today po pag-usapan natin what are the 4 pillars of the international maritime law. So these 4 pillars was established by the International Maritime Organization. So namely, number 1 is SOLAS, or the International Convention for the Safety of Lives at Sea. Then we have also the MARPOL, or the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from the Ships. And we have also the STCW, or the International Convention on Standards of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for the seafarers. And last, the number 4 is the MLC, or the Maritime Labor Convention. These pillars form the core framework for maritime safety, environmental protection, and seafarers' welfare. So dito po muna natin tatapusin yung ating video. So sa next video naman natin, pag-uusapan naman natin doon ang tungkol doon sa mga history ng bawat pillars ng ating maritime law. So wag po nyo kalimutan sana na mag-iwan ng comment, mag-put ng like, and share ng video, and also to follow yung ating page. So salamat po, ingat po, God bless.